What's good, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for joining me today. Today's video is going to be a recipe that I found online on Facebook. It is a lemon pepper honey fried chicken. It looked excellent. I can't wait to see how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out as well as it did in the video. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so what I have here is I've got some chicken. I've got 3 thighs and 3 legs. We're going to get these seasoned up. We're going to use some of this Sazon Goya seasoning. See here, we're going to use that. I've got 2 packages, and just want to, for this amount, the 2 should be enough. Maybe even 1, I don't know, we'll see. But obviously if you're going to make more, then you'll need more. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other package and just use some of that. I may not use it all, but next, so I use about half of that second one. Next, we're gonna hit it with some granulated garlic. Let's get it seasoned up. Some of you are probably wondering why I'm not using It's Incredible, since I use that on everything. Well, I am going to use it later, so I'm not adding it to this. So that is some granulated garlic. We're going to add some, where did I put it? Fresh cracked black pepper. Spit it out, dummy. And then a little bit of kosher salt. And then we're just going to get this all mixed up. I already got my hand dirty. That's all right. So you just want to make sure that we get the seasoning all over each piece of chicken. All right, so we have the chicken all seasoned up. We're gonna add some other ingredients here to let this chicken marinate even longer. So what I have here is 1 egg. This is also gonna help the flour stick. So 1 egg, a large egg that I whipped up. I'm gonna add some buttermilk. No, let me use that one. I'll go here. We're gonna add some buttermilk. This is 16 ounces. You know what? Go ahead and add the whole thing. That buttermilk is it goes really good with fried chicken and letting it season and marinate and makes it juicy. Then we're gonna take some hot sauce. I'm going with Frank's Red Hot just because I really like the flavor. You want to use something that has a little more heat? Feel free. And I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. That was probably a couple of tablespoons, 2 or 3. Anyway, let me get. We're gonna do this here. Get this all mixed up, and then I'm gonna place it in the fridge and let it marinate for probably a couple of hours. Get this all mixed up. Oh, this smells really good. That Frank's Frank's Red Hot. Oh yeah. So that's that. I'm gonna get a lid on it and throw it in the fridge. Like I said, we'll pick back up once it's had a couple of hours of marinating. All right, so the chicken is in the fridge marinating. We're gonna make the flour mix. And I've got 1 cup of flour that I'm gonna add to the jar or to this bowl. And then I'm gonna take half a cup of cornstarch. Now this is gonna help that skin to make sure it's crispy, to help ensure that it's crispy. So, and it's just a 2-to-1 ratio. So You know, if you're using 2 cups of flour, then it's 1 cup of cornstarch. In this case, I've got 1 cup of flour, so I'm just going with 1 cup of cornstarch. Now, I may need to add a little more. I'm not sure. I think this might be enough. We'll see. So to this, I am going to add, let me get this out of the way real quick. I am going to add a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And earlier I told you I was going to use that It's Incredible. I'm going to add a little bit of that to this too. Oh, it smells so good. That It's Incredible. It smells so good. And that's it. This is what we're going to dip our chicken in to make our batter. Or the flour mixture that we're going to use. So the chicken is still marinating. It's been going for about an hour. We're going to let it go a little bit longer, probably another 30 minutes. And then we'll pull it out and get to frying some chicken, y'all. All right, so the chicken has been marinating for about an hour and a half. Got my flour and cornstarch mixture here. We're gonna take these chickens and just dump them right in here. We'll get them tossed up and get them in the frying pan. You know what, let me just do a couple at a time. We're just going to do this right here. So we got these. I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to put them on a plate real quick. We'll do this. Shake off the excess, and I'm just gonna lay them on a separate plate, just kind of get them out of the way, so I can dip the rest of them. Do that. Get the rest of them in here and get them covered, ready for frying. There's that. I do have a pan going. I'm using my cast iron skillet. I've got some oil in it. It's warming up right now on the stove. So as soon as that comes up to temp, we'll get these chickens in there and get them fried up. Whew. All right, so we're gonna take this chicken. This oil is ready to go. And carefully just lay it in there. We'll do the same thing here. Try to lay it away from you if you can. And I'm not gonna be able to do it with that one, but it's okay. So they'll probably, I don't know, they'll probably take about 10 minutes to finish. So I'm gonna fry them on this side for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll flip them over, do the other side. All right, so while the chicken is frying, we're gonna make this lemon honey sauce. So I've got a lemon here, and I'm gonna zest the skin of one lemon. When you zest it, you're really bringing out the flavors of that lemon. So we want to make sure we add this, give it a good zesting all the way over. Uh-oh, hold on to that damn thing. All right, so I got the zest from the one lemon. I'm going to take that juice from the same lemon, add it to the pot. I'm actually going to add the juice from 2 lemons. So Get that added in here. All right, so that's the juice from 2 lemons. And to kind of cut that acidity, cut that acid, we're going to add some honey to this. I'm probably going to add about, there's probably about 4 ounces of lemon juice. So I'm probably going to add about 4 ounces of the honey as well. And then we're just going to bring this to a light boil or simmer. Oh, it smells so good. That honey and that lemon. And I'll take a look at if I need to add, or I'll taste it, and if I need to add a little more honey, then I'll definitely do that. But we're going to let this come to a light simmer while the chicken is still cooking. All right, so one thing I want to mention that I forgot to mention is, to this lemon juice and honey, I did add some fresh cracked black pepper to that. So you had your lemon juice, your honey, and then some fresh black cracked pepper. All right, so I have the chicken here. This is the lemon butter mixture, lemon pepper, and not butter, honey. You can just take this and dab it right over that chicken. Now I got to tell you, I'm a little, listen, your boy can cook, okay, but if there's one thing I struggle with, it's fried chicken. I just got to be honest. So let's hope this turned out right. I'm confident that the chicken is done. I use my thermopan to temp it, but we'll see, you guys, we'll see. A little hint. Get this right over this chicken. I think I'm just going to take a bite of the leg and give it a shot. So that's it. Let's see how this bad boy tastes. Just a quick little flyover before we taste it. That's what it looks like. I don't know, we'll see if it's a success or a failure. Alright, you guys, here's the chicken. You gotta use a napkin to hold it because it's still hot. But let's see if it's crunchy, flavorful, pass or fail. There you go. Whew. That's hot. Can you see the steam coming off of that? I was able to get a little bite. But man, you know what? This is really good. Ooh. I gotta tell you, that skin is definitely crunchy, but that honey and lemon on the outside, oh my word, the lemon pepper with the honey, that's good. That's very good. Again, fried chicken is not my strong point at all, but this turned out good. Anyway, we're gonna fix up some sides, and we're gonna enjoy the rest of this chicken. So anyway, it's a recipe I found on Facebook. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I like it. It's good. I think I'm gonna enjoy this one. So I will see you guys next time. Take care.